Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this new listing for a client. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 3460 Big Chief Drive. This one was just relisted, it looks like. 424.5, nice south side neighborhood. Been on the market for 7 days. Looked like it came off for a few days and went back on. Sits on a pretty big lot, just over 10,000 square feet. No junk around. Pretty nice little street. So you have a ton of side RV boat parking. It's 18 feet wide at the opening here, but then it does taper back a little bit. I'm gonna go measure that here in a bit. Looks like there's a little stucco repair there on the side. Roof looks decent. This is about as low maintenance as you can get with a yard. There's just nothing here. It's a little courtyard. You could probably cover this with and make a little patio out of it. So you do have a vacant lot next door, and it looks like the kids have turned into a bike ramp, which is super cool. And so the property line goes between these water boxes and probably goes further to the right than it appears over here. So you have some additional side parking. Just have to kind of do some due diligence to figure out where that line is. Looks like there might be a survey stake back there. Go check it out in a minute. So even if the property line only goes to where the fence is it's still about 10 feet wide, so you could still get an RV or a boat back in there, no problem. Let's go on and check it out. All right guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Built in 1997, 1,551 square feet. Again, it was just relisted about 9 days ago for $424,500. Nice big open living area. There's some integrated speakers in the wall. Vaulted ceilings, split floor plan layout, front kitchen. Looks like they have speakers over here as well. Carpet's in good shape. So this one does have dual master suites. We'll go check out in a minute. So you got an all tile kitchen. Some can lights. Formica counters. Your fridge would go there. Has this little modular kitchen island block. You have reverse osmosis at the sink. And you also have your indoor laundry and garage access over here that we'll check out in a minute as well. So again, this is a split floor plan. You have the master on one side and then the junior master and the other bedroom on the other side. So the main master is pretty decent sized. Has pot shelves, slider out to the backyard. The carpet in here looks newer and in good condition as well. You have a walk-in closet. So your main bathroom, master bath, has dual vanities, a skylight. They're not really dual vanities, it's dual sinks is what I meant. And then you have a walk-in shower. All right, so let's check out the other side of the house. In the end of the hallway, you have your guest bath. So this would be bathroom number 2. Kind of just your standard setup. Solid surface counters. So you have guest bedroom number 1. It's at the rear of the house. Triple door slider on this closet. So you have the junior master suite at the front of the house. All the carpet is the same and again looks newer, at least in really good condition. This one also has a walk-in closet and is also where the control panel for the alarm system lives. So your little junior master bath is a little small, but it does have a solid surface sink, the toilet, and then the door kind of covers up the walk-in shower, which is just a fiberglass type setup. But nonetheless, it is a bathroom. All right, let's go check out the backyard and the garage. All right, we're back off the kitchen, and this is your indoor laundry. There's a little bit of storage. It's kind of a pantry setup. So you have a pretty nice garage setup. It's a 2-car garage, but it has a 22-foot bay and a 51.5-foot bay with an 8-foot insulated door. Also has a drive-through bay, which is just a standard 7-foot roll-up, no opener, just hand open. So it'd be real easy to put a mini split AC unit in here and air condition this. So you have your water heater, soft water, RO system. So the boat deep bay is about 10.5 feet wide, so it's plenty wide enough to get a boat in here. All right, so you have a pretty big backyard, nice covered patio. So it looks like they elastomeric coated the roof on this part of the roof, which is not a great idea, but it is what it is. It'll definitely get the life out of your dimensional shingle roof that way, I guess. So the fence is in fact theirs, and it looks like this stake could be a property marker. And then this wall, so there's a flag lot behind you, or is where this house sits. Not sure if this is a separate vacant lot or if it belongs to the flag lot now. And that looks like their wall. So your property line probably lines up with that telephone pole back there, but you can definitely take advantage of their wall and use it. So if you were ever to put a pool in, you would just have to measure to the water line from your actual property line. So again, it tapers back here and it's about 13.5 feet wide, so still plenty of width to get an RV or a big boat back here. It goes all the way to the back. There's your drive-through bay. Got a cool shot of Cupcake Mountain from your backyard. Let's see if I can zoom in to show you what it looks like. Looks like that. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Big Chief. Again, this one was just listed about 9 days ago for $424,500. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. I'm here 8 days a week. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.